Hi, today we are going to solve the verifying an alien dictionary problem. And so if you read this problem, and there are two parameters in this function is alien sorted. So the first one is word list, which is the array type, and then each word should be ordered by the alien language orders. So what is a alien language order? And that is the second parameters here, order string. So this string is alphabet string, and so the order of this string is basically for alien language. So the what this function is alien sorted should do is checking whether or not the words parameter is sorted by alien language orders. So there are a couple of conditions that we need to check. And so example one, hello, and Leetcode. And so in this case, it's an easy example. So this is checking the order of the alphabet in this order parameters, and then H comes before L in this language, then the sequence is sorted. Okay, so that makes sense. And so second example, and as D comes after L in this language, then words zero index is bigger than words first index. Yeah, let's check words zero WORD, words one WRL. So D is here and L is here. So second word should be before the first word, this one. Okay, that's why the output should be false. And then third one is kind of important. And so as you can see, APP is the same like this, but the first word is longer than the second word. So in this case, Apple should be after. That's the third condition that we need to check. And so let's write down the function. And so first of all, I will create the character order, which is a dictionary type. So key should be the character, each character of this order array. And so int is the index of the each characters in order array. So through the for statement, I will get the index value and character value. You can use enumerated functions for a string. And so let's build the char order dictionary. So what's the next? We are gonna iterate each word in words a string array, and then take one of the words and then compare the next word in the whether or not they are ordered properly. Okay, so that let's write down the for statement here, and the word count -1. Why -1? Because at least we need to have a next word, and so we are gonna check until before the last word, and we need a function to compare two words, first word and second word. And so we are gonna create a function called our word in order. So this function has three parameters. The first one is a first word, and the second has a second word, and then lastly, we need a dictionary char order. Okay, and then it should return boolean. So let's build this function. And first, I will convert the string value as an array of characters. So chars one is okay. Then next, I will define min length, which is the minimum length of each characters array. And so min chars one count and chars two count. Okay. And next, we are gonna iterate. min length, then char1 is char1 and I index, and let char2 is a char2 I index. So if char1 is different from char2, which means that we need to investigate further whether or not char1 is ordered properly. So we are gonna return char order char1, and I will unwrap the optional value here, and char order char2. In this operation, we will return true or false based on the operation. So for example, if char1 is before char2, the index value of char1 should be less than index value of char2. So then after for statement, we need to return word1 count is less than or equal to word2 count. So if word1 count is bigger than word2 count, that means that the order is wrong. Because if you see that example 3, in this case, apple should be after app word, so that this condition checks this example 3. So that's how we can solve this problem. So let's use the word functions here. Word index and words I plus 1 char orders. Okay, and then we'll return. Oh, we've missed the value true here. Okay, so it works. And what is the time complexity? And as you can see, the time complexity here, the length of the words, let's say it's n, the length word array. And here is another nested for statement here. And so let's say k is the length of minimum length of characters, word characters. Okay, so that as a result, the time complexity would be on by k. Okay, what about the space complexity? Space complexity, we have char order dictionary, which is matched to the length of the order string. So let's say L, and we also have another array values that stores the word 1 and word 2. And so the, let's say A, which is average 2 words length. Okay, thank you for watching these videos. Please subscribe and like my video, and it will be very helpful to create another video. Thank you.